What's up, guys? It's me, Maddox. I'm going to be doing some tricks like finger flips with no trucks on it because I suck at finger flips, period, even with this. Like, there, I can't even land one. This is, I don't even think I can do very many tricks on this. I can't even do that in real life. So, yeah, let's try this. Let's try and do some tricks. So I think I'm going to start off with just some basic caveman and stuff, like that. So let's just see if I can do it over anything. Okay. So yeah, I was going to do some caveman. I was going to do caveman over something. So I know this is stupid, but I'll just do it over a board. There. There we go. Did it over a board. Let's try and do maybe a finger flip again. Okay, so here we go. Finger flip. Nope. That would have been a double finger flip anyway. Oh. Okay, so I landed it. Let's do another trick. Maybe I'll try like a varial flip or like a, I don't know, maybe a 540 flip. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's try that. Random trick. Whatever happens, happens. Just going to try and do some random flip trick. Boom! Boom! I'm going to try that again. Would that count as a land? I don't know. Maybe I should try it again. There we go. That counts as a land. So we got two lands. Go for a finger flip. Nope. Can't do those. Well, I can do them. I just did one, but can't do them very well. So let's try. Maybe I'll spin this on the ground and then run and jump at it. See if I can land that. Okay, here we go. The ultimate challenge. I won't accept a failure on this again. Oh my God, I did it. I'm going to try the ultimate trick. Did I land that? It's so hard to land. Just like. That was sick. I landed that. I was just like. Just died in it. Just. Boom, boom. It's like the coolest trick I've ever done, I think. And the smoothest time I've done that. It's just basically, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm kicking it, and then basically it's just like going around my leg, like boom. It's pretty sweet, if you ask me. Maybe I'll try it one more time. There we go. I'm going to do maybe one more trick. Maybe try and do that over something or do a really big finger flip or some crazy run thing. But, yeah. One more trick for the end of it. Maybe do another short trick on the same clip that I do the outro. And then we'll be done with this video. So, yeah. Let's do this. Okay, here we go for the crazy run. There we go. There we go. Maybe that's some random tricks, but I think they're pretty sweet, so I'm I'm going to do the outro right. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.